design is important. Why? First of all, it's on how it is perceived, so perception. Okay? You can have an average quality product with a beautiful avant-gardist or futuristic design that could be perceived as a premium product. It also has to do with cost of production, because depending on how you design it, might be easier to produce or it might be tougher. This increases or decreases the cost of production, creates flaws, creates waste, so on and so forth. And it's also in terms of efficiency when used by client. Okay, so by the design changes that you made to this product, does it make it more ergonomic when used in other competitors' products? You could do that. You could change something in the shape of your product that can make it much better than your competitors, although it solves the same problem. It might do it faster, it might do it better, it might do it with less hassle.